3 in a row. It's no mean feat. The history makers, the record breakers, the team that have simply been head and shoulders above the rest.
This is your boy, Merel Bafethu. Namhlanje I bring another episode as I say, Naturena with Merel. So Bafethu, njengoba kangichazele last time ukuthi sabe stranded kancane kusana ezengibambile, so I couldn't update after a game. So namhlanje ngilethele i-Chiefs preview to match day 13 namhlanje. So it's a match day namhlanje kudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs and Arrows, so sidlala i-home game. So bafethu, I wanted to touch my topics out 3. We transfer saga, obviously yo silokhu sizwa amahebezi nama-rumors ukuthi sineyinkinga yokuthi ama-deals ethu ayalokhu ecollapse, nama-transfers ethu alokhu eqhubeka rejectwa as always, as every transfer window uhlezi ku-rejectwa ama-deals ethu. Okay, but ngifuna uqala ngakho, ngifuna uqala last game, last win ekhona ngo-2-1 with Stellenbosch. I wanted to analyze a few things nje khona ukuthi if singakwazi ukuthi sibuild from that confidence, from that momentum, because ngabona ukuthi aswinisanga izinto eziningi, but izinto ezaswinisa ukuthi we managed to manage the game. Technically awareness sasingconywana than other games, especially Captain City. That was a very disgraced match, disappointing ngale ndlela le. So le game Stellenbosch, you could see ukuthi nje from the get go nje siqala siyeke that mistake, that blunder yenzeka ku cross noDotley, yabona. So kwakuyinkinga ka coach because uyabona ukuthi wayifake uDotley, wayifake uTiti, uDitlogwe kanye noCross, so wayezama overloader that right hand side ezoqhamuka ngoTitus. So akwenzekanga ngaleyo ndlela up until kwenzeka that mistake eyasicosta the goal ne-clean sheet, okwenza ukuthi sigcineke sibe 1-0 down up until sikwazi kodwa ukuthi siqhubeke sibambe confidence, siqhubeke sikwazi ukuthi sigcine sithole that equalizer from Duba, sagcina sathola the winning goal from Duba. But we could build from that match mfethu, ma-induce nama-inconsistencies amaningi. So I think that was a very good game, but adlalanga kahle, to be honest. Akusho ukuthi whenever siyawina and then sesizothi hayi sekusephelele. So still a long way to go, kusanzima bafethu, kusamele nje iqhubeke unabe still has to cook. Sidawadinga nama-players to strengthen the team, sikwazi ukuthi futhi siqhubeke sisebenze ngokuyikhandla. Negenge nayo futhi should put in the extra work, yabo. So even in training, so siyathemba ukuthi namhlanje we gonna have a good game. Siphinde futhi sidlala ngokuyimisela. I think Moses Mabhida, the game izodlala ngo-3:30, so all eyes are on today's games ukuthi are we reaching the top 4, yes or no. So abuya ngikhathazeke ama-games afana nalawa kumele sidlule to sikhuphuke to top 4 kanje, because we tend to lose ama-points. But I hope today ukuthi we can build from that game confidence, and we could win the game, yabona. Nesimo sokuthi I trust the boys indlela abadlala ngayo ngegame yeStellenbosch, but we don't know ngoba phela mfethu these guys sometimes are on and off. So it's a matter of qala imatch then iziphele kuphela 90 minutes, then sesobona ngescore line score sheet ukuthi kwenzakalani. But I trust the boys namhlanje ukuthi they could uyabona raise their hands and fight for the patch uyabona. So moving on to ama deals ethu collapsile from the Azam FC, Usalum, the guy Usalum was in Tanzania. They rejected our offer. They wanted to 40 million. That is 5 billion in Tanzanian currency. So it's a deal a police where the Tennessee we placed the offer at 10 million and Orlando Pirates placed 15 million. So it's a bit gonna be a very big blunder if it's not totally, but we hope Wood management is working very hard behind the scenes with the squads, with the guys that Munabi he needs. And then moving on to Pasadena, but to Pasadena Wamanje still not clear, but inquiry bisi khona offer nje bengafiki, and this guy Umabuyisa from Richards Bay, the right back, naye they've inquired confirming na Richards Bay ukuthi they've inquired phela ukuthi offer ayikabikho, but they've inquired ngaye. So I think kuzophela the transfer window izinto seyiqhaqa, we don't know, but ukubuka kwezinto isibuka ngathi it's not looking good at the moment, but we hope everything is gonna go okay. Moving on to Le Rooks from overseas. It's been 6 months ago. So nakhona it's tricky. It's very tricky nakhona ukuthi somthola, but we would see how management is willing to get him, and to help Nabi ukuthi amthole, because we could see ukuthi Nabi admires him. Moving on to Pesitao, obviously we couldn't get him. We said Lulile is going to Qatar, so it's another big blunder, okay, because of his experience. Mina bengimdinga ke ngendlela yami, because the guy has a lot of experience, so ubezodingeka a partnership laphana with the guys abafana njengoSereno and help the boys abafana njengomdudu Shabalala leyo nto leyo. So siphinde futhi move on to another transfer saga, ama rumors. Okay, I think kuphelele up until we siqhubeka silokhu sizwa ama rumors ukuthi khamba kanjani, but at the moment it's not looking good, but it's a bit promising. Yeah, it's a bit promising. Ngoba asithemba ukuthi the management is working very hard behind the scenes. And then sidlule to another last topic of the day, indaba ye Chiefs preview namhlanje. Okay, it's match day 13. Yeah, match day 13 if I'm not mistaken. Sizodlala neGolden Arrows. We are home. We have a home advantage. I think we are playing at almost Mapita. We could sizobona ngaye uNabi ukuthi uzokwenza njani ke namhlanje, uanalyze kanjani iGolden Arrows, but siyabona ukuthi iGolden Arrows it's a tricky team. Ama team aseKZN West nathi sidlala eKZN, so it's gonna be a very interesting game. Also iGolden Arrows nayo it's a good side, especially bedlala ne-team efana ne-Chiefs. Somehow my players abo they just wanna raise their hands, uyabona ukuthi okay badlala ne-team enkulu. So it's a game of two halves, so sizobona khona ukuthi siwina kanjani, but we hope for a win. But namanje ama fans are all hoping ukuthi sihlale with confidence again, beat the momentum from the 2-1 win against Stellenbosch, because Stellenbosch is a very good side. So kumele siye ngokuthi everything is well gelled and well yabona everything is now okay, so still long to go bafethu. Players still need to play for the patch besebenza ngokuyikhandla. So I wanted to highlight ama-3 topics nje namhlanje, and then I will upload after analyzing after a game yezokudlala namhlanje, because I was a bit busy kulezi nsuku, so I couldn't update ngokukhulu kushesha. So namhlanje I had to tell yonke into namhlanje and to update. Today is our match day, Makhosi. We hope for a win, hope for 3 points namhlanje, and to get us into top 4, so that we could build from that momentum. So thank you bafethu, keep on supporting Ezasenachurena with Mirel, and keep on subscribing bafethu, like the videos on YouTube, like our Facebook page Ezasenachurena with Mirel. So, and also comment here. I want to hear your views bafethu, so that nami ngizokwazi ukukhula and grow bafethu, because nami I'm still growing. So I think bafethu I can build from you guys ukuthi nani ningikhulise. So thank you bafethu, keep on supporting, keep on liking. One love, sharp.